So hello guys, welcome to another video of Future Innovators and welcome to the JavaScript series. If you are new to the JavaScript series, you can go and find the link in the description below to the first video, and also the playlist link is in the description also. You can go and check out that too, and let's get started with today's topic, that is array methods. So today in array methods we are going to learn about um, some of them. So this is the part 1 of the video and part 2 will be coming soon. So for the first method I will have to empty the array items which I have. First I have declared an array here, which is my array, and here I have included some values. So for the first method here I have to empty the array. So the first method in the array methods is push. So what push does is the push method adds items to the array, and you have to specify with the array name dot and then the method you want to try. So now I want to try the push method on this. I want to apply the push method on this. So my array, which is the name of the array which I have declared here, dot and then push method. So here I want to add items to the array, so I have called this push method. Now let's add arguments inside the push method here inside the parentheses to specify what items we want to add. So we have to specify along with the data type the values which we want to pass in. So I will pass in a string first, and then I will document.write it. I will display it inside the Firefox blank document page. So I will document.write it into the page. So here I have written this, forgot to put the okay, so I have inserted the semicolons also. Let's go check it. Let's arrange the now I will go to the page and see here guys, our value has been added inside the my array. So in the same way you can add as many values as you want just by specifying a comma and the value name which you want to add, the values which you want to add after a comma. So just insert a comma and after that enter the value you want to add. So here I have added these values, and now let's go and check it in our Firefox browser. So as you can see, the values which I added in the push method have been added inside the my array array. So like this you can add as many elements you want, and when to use the push method: whenever you want to insert, whenever you have declared a empty array and you want to insert the values inside it dynamically. Let's go to the next method, which is the pop method, and for that method I'm going to paste the values again inside this array. So let me delete this line. So next is the pop method, and without any arguments inside the parentheses for this pop method. What this method does is it removes the item from the end of the array. So from the last position of the array it removes an item. So it for example, it will remove the string here. It will remove this because it's in the last position. It will remove the item from the end of an array. So let's call the pop method here, and we will go check in our Firefox browser again. So as you can see here, there is no string, because the string has been removed by the pop method. So by using the pop method, it removes the item from the end of an array. Next method is Unshift. So Unshift adds elements to and adds items to an array, but it adds items to an array in the opposite order. Means it adds the items from the front, as you might have seen, or let me tell you, the push method adds the items from the in the end of an array. So in the end of an array, it will add all the items, but the Unshift method, what it does, it adds items in the front of an array. So it will add items from here. So let's specify again the values which we want to add. So I will again write an hello world string, and let's go and check the output in our Firefox browser. Here it is. We have two hello worlds here. So let me change the string. It will differentiate the values. So I have written hi here, and as you can see, hi is added in the front of an array, in the front of the array. Next is shift. So shift is the opposite of unshift. Where unshift adds the items in the front of an array, unshift removes items from the front of an array. So I will call this shift method, and no arguments here, no arguments inside the shift method, and it will remove the hello world. So let's go and see, and there you go, it has removed the hello world here. Okay, so the next method here is splice. Sorry guys, splice will be used in the next tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to learn the last method we are going to learn about the index of method. So what index of method does, it returns the index of the a specific item in an array. So we will call the index of method on the my array, and this will return the position of the specified item in the form of a number, in the form of an index number. So let's specify my array dot index of, and then let's specify the hello world. Let's specify the hello world item. So we are checking for the index of this hello world. index number of this hello world. So let's go back here and sorry, I had to document.write this. It is returning, it is showing us, but not in the, it's not showing us like this. We have to call it in a DOM. We have to show it, that's why we have to call it in a DOM. So I will again document dot write this, so it will show it in the DOM now. And I will comment this out. As you can see, the hello world value of the my array is in the index of 0. So the hello world value starts at the index 0 here. So that's it guys for today's video, and I will meet you in the next video. Thank you and bye bye. So in the part 2 we are going to learn about more methods, some more methods.